Which enzyme is responsible for removal of triglycerides from chylomicrons? Which enzyme is responsible for removal of triglycerides from chylomicron? Yes. If you have learned it the right way, you've learned it the smart way, this is going to be like a very easy question. Otherwise, even this question becomes very difficult. Absolutely right. It is lipoprotein lipase. Tell me that lipoprotein lipase is active in the fed state, or is it active in the fasting state? Is it active in the fed state or fasting state? Lipoprotein lipase. It is active in the fed state. Insulin increases the levels of lipoprotein lipase or decreases? Remember, insulin, L for L, loves lipoprotein lipase, H for H, hates hormone sensitive lipase. Remember, this is your mnemonic. If you don't know this, can't remember this, remember this is very easy. Insulin loves lipoprotein lipase, insulin hates hormone sensitive lipase. And insulin is present in the fed state, right? When we eat the meals, the insulin levels increase. Insulin is anabolic, active in the fed state, lipoprotein lipase in the fed state. So when I say it is coming in the fed state, it builds up the stores. Again, having this snippet from the short biochemistry. Remember, in the fed state, right? In the fed state is where this lipoprotein lipase is acting, building up the stores in the adipose by extracting these triglycerides. Which are the triglycerides rich lipoproteins? You have chylomicrons and VLDL. Where is this lipoprotein lipase present? In the capillaries, right? It's a functional enzyme active in the blood, in the capillaries. It removes these triglycerides from chylomicron VLDL and helps in building these stores, right? The triglyceride stores in the adipose. Okay? For the triglycerides, glucose coming here, insulin dependent transport, GLUT4 is what you see in the adipocyte. So when the insulin comes, it gets the glucose. It is increasing the lipoprotein lipase as well. What apoprotein activates lipoprotein lipase? ApoC2, right? Remember ApoC2. On the other hand, hormone sensitive lipase comes in the fasting state. It causes the breakdown, right? This is what we have discussed. So hormone sensitive lipase comes in the fasting state. LCAT, lecithin cholesterol acetyltransferase, is what helps in the reverse cholesterol transport, which is done by HDL from the tissues to the liver, reverse cholesterol transport.